Yeah. So guys, good morning to all. So today, yes, we'll be learning about what is web crawling. So what's actually web crawling is okay. Now we see. Now we go to our website. Maybe you say www.news.co. Yeah. Now we go to this website. Yeah. It's loading. It's loading. That's loading. That's not a problem. Yeah. So oh, what is web crawling actually? What does it do? Okay, fine. No web crawling. It's nothing but it. Yeah, fine. Now web crawling. What does it do? Well, see, you've got this whole page, right? So you need to access the data. Maybe this might be a small. This might be a small, very small page over here. But when you want to go to very big product kind of pages, like you say, um, well, some kind of good products, maybe an e-commerce website. For example, let's no, let's just show an example. So let's say eBay.com. So when you go to eBay.com, of course, like you need to know about the products and people who are on the development side or on the technical side, they need to get the data of the products. So what do these people do and what is it used for in the future? See, now we know this is giving dresses, spaghetti strap tanks, macaroni machines, and all the stuff. But do we really know that it takes a lot of time to go check inside to find $357.66 trending price speed splendor, but when you're going for analysis of the data you need to make sure that you have it in a order, so you can't just go do this save image as copy paste the text. That will take a lot of time. So what does the crawler do? Crawler actually goes through the web pages at the back end and it downloads the images and the content which is really necessary for the user, and the user defines what is the content. So that is the reason called crawler is useful. So yeah, I would like to show an example for you guys. Well, I just want to have a check. Things go well. Well, yeah, this also. So yeah, here you go. Well, oh, what does it do? What does it say? Well, you have a couple of, I mean, not a couple, a lot of items over here. So let's try to crawl. And how do you do this? Either you do it by coding or either you do it by a tool. So here I made use of a tool called Web Scrapper. And what does it do? Yeah, this is nothing but an extension. So you get the documentation from here and you get to install it over here. So download free on Chrome Store. It's open source web, and you have your way of extracting data. So let me explain you this. So you give a start URL, you give a category link, you give a category link again, pagination also here, and you get your text tables, HTML. These are the data you'll be getting. So let me just show an example. Well, see, now we have got this website, and I need to, and I think I need all these products images. So let's do it for images alone. So you inspect and you give inspect and make sure this is not as in like this. Make sure it's in a desktop mode. So it's there and it's easy for you to control it. And you shouldn't have it like this also. Stuff for you to control it again. So make sure it's in the bottom. And yeah, now we go click on the web scraper. I've done a lot of data extraction since I have got to research a lot of stuff. So yeah, I create a sitemap And sitemap is nothing but the start URLs, maybe your basic name you can give. Well, I give this first class, and the state your start URL is this. Since I'm going to start with this page, so I'm giving this as a start URL. Create the site. I've done the sitemap now. So what next? What I'm going to do next? So now what is the selector over here? Well, selector, you'll be seeing it. Selector is nothing but the tags in the HTML document. So, well, I add a selector. What is a selector? Maybe I say an item. This is an item, right? So I say an item. Well, yeah, item will work. Well, I say an item. So item is nothing but uh, the element. So this is an element. So I say this is an element. So I select the elements. So I do it multiple times. So I'm selecting the elements. Well. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Now I just select the elements again. So I think I'm supposed to give multiple. Yeah, it's done. Like I said, I've selected the elements. So these are the elements I've done. So I've done selecting. Now I'll just give an element review. So yeah, I'll just have a data preview. Yeah, fine. That's working. So I save the selector. So inside these elements, I need to select the images. Now this is what I'm going to do. Name it as images and get this as text. Sorry, get this as the image, and I'll select the all the images. There you go. Well, I need to do multiple times, right? That's a mistake. Oops. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. So this happens. This happens a couple of times. You need to make sure that you're doing it good. Major mistake. Fine. Now it's fine. So I'm doing a. Okay, fine. Something is wrong. Well, again, I select. Yeah, I've done selecting it. What's over here? I save the selector. Now, next thing when you want to extract the data, before that, I show you what selector graph. This is the root URL, is the item, is the images. So you go to the root URL, this is the root URL, and you select the item. Inside the item, you get the images. This is what happens in the selector graph. And now we are going to scrap the data. So I'm going to start scrapping the data. So let's see what happens actually. Yeah, and it's called in the root URL, guys. So here you go. We get the data. So thank you guys. Yeah, this is the way to do it. Thanks a lot. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye. Have a nice day.